Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Manali Raju Rathore. Roll number is MB 2004. Subject is Operational Research. College name is SAS Institute of Management Studies. What is the assignment problem? Assignment problem refer to the special class of the learner programming the problem that involve the determine the most efficient assignment of the people to project, sales people to contact to riders of so on. It is often used of minimize total cost of time performance tasks. The one important features of assignment problem is only on job or workers is the assignment to one machines. Each assignment problem has a matrix associated with it. The number in the table indicate cost accounted with the assignment. The most efficient learner programming the find of optimum solution to any assignment problem is the hiring method. The assignment problem using the hiring method, the requirement of the dummy row and column. The arrange of solution assignments problem require the equal number of row and column. The number of tasks is need to be done exit the number of resources available dummy column just needed to add it as the case may be. This created a table equal dimensions the dummy row and column now the existence their value can be attained to 0. The first is a company has 5 jobs to are done by 5 workers each. Workers are assigned to the and only one job. Number of hours each worker takes to complete a job is given with A W1, W2, W3, W4, W5, J1, J2, J3, J4, J5. The 28, 26, 18, 27, 29. The first step is the find the minimum elements in each row and subtract it from all the elements of the particular row. The first is the 28 minus 24 is a 4, 26 minus 23 is a 3, 18 minus 18 is a 0, 27 minus 24 is a 3, 29 minus 28 is a 1. The second step, find the minimum element in each column and subtract it from all the elements of that the particular column. The second step is a 4 minus 0 is a 4, 3 minus 0 is a 3, 0 minus 0 is 0, 3 minus 0 is 3, 1 minus 0 is 1. The step 1 and 2 create has the latest 1 0 and O in each row and column. The step 3 starting from one row if there is a extend 1 0 make any assignments and cancel all 0 in the column and then draw a vertical line similarly starting from first column if there exact 1 0 make a assignment and cancel all 0 in that row and then draw the horizontal line continues their step till all zeros are the assignments or the cancelled. The J1 4 3 0 3 2, the J2 is the T2 0 1 5 2. The step 3 is a continue. It's the optimal assignment is not from to the guess step. For example, there should be 5 straight line. The step 4 is a assure the all 5 0 are the convert with minimum 1 line. Find the minimum element not convert by the find of minimum element not convert by any one line. Is example in this sum 5 is the minimum element not convert to the any line. The step 5 subtract the elements from The elements not converted by the line also add the some elements. Example to be elements which are the instructions. The follow in step 3 covers all 0 with the target line. Again the science 5 line are the needed and optimal assignments can be made. The assignments is the J1 and W3 is 18, J2 in W2 is 24, J3 in W1 is 24, J4 in W4 is 24, J5 in W5 is 36. Minimum total time in hour is equal to 126 hour. The assigned J1 in J1 and W is 18, J2 and W2 is 24, J3 and W1 is 24, J4 and W4 is 24, J5 and W5 is 35. Minimum total time 126 hours, as that the optimal solution is equal. Thank you.